Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make spicy udon noodles. Let's go check the ingredients. You'll be needing 400 grams of pre-cooked udon noodles, 2 to 3 big bunches of bok choy or 4 to 5 small bunches, 5 to 6 pieces of dried red chilies, a quarter teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of fresh crushed ginger, a quarter cup of sliced red peppers, a quarter cup of dried or fresh mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of peanut oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let's begin! Start by submerging your dried mushrooms in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, the mushrooms would have doubled in size. This is when you can remove them from the water and roughly chop them and set aside. On high heat, add oil to a hot wok and dried chilies and stir them for 5 to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, add the mushrooms that you previously chopped and saute them for about 30 seconds to a minute. After that, add your fresh ginger garlic and saute for 30 to 45 seconds. Then we can add the red peppers, crushed red chilies, and the bok choy and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Just remember, this is a very quick dish, so we're not overcooking anything and it comes together in minutes. Now we can go ahead and add our peanut oil, oyster, and soy sauce and give it a quick stir. Now you can add the udon noodles and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. The steam from the water should help loosen the noodles. If you'd like, you can also use regular udon noodles. Just cook them according to the instructions on the package and then add them to your stir fry. Now gently stir the noodles to untangle them. Cook them for 1 to 2 minutes on high heat. Udon noodles are super versatile, so you can make them with chicken. Here we've made ours vegetarian. However, you can make yours as you like. These turn out super flavorful and are hard to resist. So do try them out. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Food and Spices.